Hello everyone. I hope you guys are having good time. So recently at Fabulous Technology Solutions, we have been working on an amazing and dynamic subscription-based software, which is about financial management, tax advisory, and real estate investments, which is real world US-based software, helping clients in saving taxes and financial management. This is a software where some tax advisors come buy their plan and serve their clients in their tax related stuff. As you can see, we have those plans here. So, as I already have one, I will just sign in as admin. The main purpose of this platform is to serve their clients in financial management, saving taxes, and real estate insurance, and some other stuff. First of all, we can create clients over here. We get the information related to their like businesses, the personal information, and other stakeholders. As you can see here, these are the personal details, and we have the company when it comes to business details. So we can better help them in their tax advisory pursuits. And then we have the questionnaire. We get some important information that will help us and our AI integrated system in our platform that will help in tax planning, tax risk assessment, and other things to save and boost tax services. As you can see, we have a few things here, and then some business related stuff here that will help us and the A model coming up with some better results. So let's start from the A model. This is where we can drop our file. The model will read our file. It can be like 1040 form, 1120, 1065, 1120s, and other related documents for tax assessments and tax planning. So now I will hop into give you an overview to the tax risk assessment. I will choose the Q testing. Now you can see we have the risk assessment tab here. Here we can see different risk assessments of that client. Here in details we can see that strategies we have chosen or suggested by our AI model, which is smart enough to come up with those calculations to help us better understanding. And we have the reports here, so the user can download it, submit somewhere for business purposes. As you can see here, we have a number of strategies. Some of them are given by that platform, so we can help boost the tax risk assessments, tax planning, and financial management systems. As you can see, these are individual, business, and both. So an important thing is the to-do menu, the to-do system, where the tax advisors create to-dos for their particular clients to help them in their tax related informations and other stuff. Now we also have the real estate system here. As you can see, let me give you a demo. I will choose Q testing for now. As you can see here, the properties where we can list the properties we own, the activities we have been doing over there depending upon material, non-material, or the stuff. The time entries is about time we have spent on that particular property and the stuff. We are given a number of services from the platform, as you can see here, and we are uh, allowed to create new ones also. The important and interactive thing about that platform is the AI models. It is integrated with AI models that are helping streamlining our business flows and helping the tax advisors being productive with less hustle. So I will type tax risk assessment for now and write with AI. Now the AI is coming up with the content related to this service. These AI models are smart enough to come with something that will help us on the long go along the way. As you can see here, it's providing us some content so we can use it, as you can see here. And another important aspect is the chatbot. We have our own chatbot where we can ask queries like I will ask what is federal tax. Now that model will come up with answer to these queries. As you can see here, it's providing us the content for the query. As you can see here, we have multiple models uh, having their own purposes, like getting the files. So I was talking about the A models. They are serving different purposes, from getting the files from the customers, the clients, and reading them, analyzing them, and coming up with solutions that will help us out for tax risk assessment, tax flows, and others. And other is a chatbot, as I have shown earlier, integrated to help their tax advisors. And another thing is the proposals. The tax advisors can create proposals for their clients with durations, the contract, putting the services together to charge them. As we have several services, I will choose a few for now. We can choose either recurring or one time. We'll choose the terms and send to the client. So the client will get the proposal, they will review and pay for it to avail the services. Not just this, we have the prospects, so we can create leads, sending them the engagement letters and turning them into clients. So that was the one dashboard. We have another which is for client. I will choose a dummy one. As you can see here, that is for the client, where they can see the payments, the proposal they have got, the notifications. See, here it is. The proposal they have accepted and other analytics. Here they can get their proposals, they can review them and make payments. As you can see here, here they can see their to-dos created by their relative or related tax advisors, the tax planning. See, here it is. And so the tax shelter. So the tax shelter is something important, I would say, as it covers some financial aspects of the client. The tax advisors help them in calculations that can help them in their financial management and so the retirement plans. We have multiple reports here serving their own purposes, as you can see here. We also have the option for the PDF. We can download them, put together, and take to stakeholders for whatever the business purpose is. We have integrated payments, as you can see earlier, from purchasing plan, sending proposals, signing them, and other stuff. So we have three main roles for now. Now super admin, which is the owner of the software. Sorry, let me check credentials. I think someone changed the credential. Let me double check. As that software is live, so the owner has changed their credential, so it's okay. We can explore things about admin as we got the access for that particular role. We have the dashboards, so the tax advisor can have a comprehensive view of their revenue, payments, the proposals, clients, recent proposals, and also in the operational dashboard, we have the analytics related to the number of clients, the risk assessment we have made so far, the tax plans, total tax strategies implemented, and total tax savings. As you can see, for better understanding and view of overall platform functions. So thanks for your time.